Hello my dear viewers, in this video I am going to explain one of the most important question is the LCM and HCF concept. The question is, find how many integers between 200 and 500 are divisible by 6, 8, 10 and 12. So here we need to find out the LCM of 6, 8, 10 and 12. Now find the LCM of 6, 8, 10 and 12. First we should frame it in this way, that is 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Next now we should focus on to the first number, that is 6. 6 in 2 table, that is 2 3s are 6. The other number 8. 8 in 2 table, that is 2 4s are 8. The other number 10. 10 in 2 table, that is 2 5s are 10. The other number 12. 12 in 2 table, that is 2 6s are 12. Now here we have 3. 3 not in 2 table, we write down as it is. The other number 4. 4 in 2 table, that is 2 2s are 4. The other number 5. 5 not in 2 table, we write down as it is. The other number 6. 6 in 2 table, that is 2 3s are 6. Now here we have 3. 3 in 3 table, that is 3 1s are 3. The other number 2. 2 not in 3 table, we write down as it is. The other number 5. 5 not in 3 table, we write down as it is. The other number 3. 3 in 3 table, that is 3 1s are 3. We got 1 2 5 1. All are prime number. So our LCM, that is LCM is the product of the column wise number and row wise number. That is LCM equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Now let us multiply this number, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 5 120. So 120 our LCM. Okay, am I clear? But 120 is less than 200. We need to find out the integers between 200 and 500. Now multiple of 120 and 1 is 120. Again multiple of 120 and 2 is 240. Multiple of 120 and 3 is 360. Multiple of 120 and 4 is 480. Multiple of 120 and 5 is 600. There are 240, 360 and 480 integers between 200 and 500. Okay, am I clear? Thank you for watching my video.